Most people don't stay broke because they don't work hard enough. A lot of people stay broke because of small money habits that slowly drain every paycheck. I know because I've been there. I remember feeling like money disappeared the second it hit my account. Bills came in, random expenses showed up, and somehow, no matter how hard I tried, I was always starting over. But the truth is, building wealth doesn't start with making millions. It starts with fixing the habits that keep you stuck. In this video, I'm showing you 7 money habits that quietly keep people broke and the simple changes that can help you take back control. And stay until number 5, because that one is the habit most people don't even realize is hurting them. Habit number 1, spending money before you know where it's going. This is one of the biggest traps. A lot of us think we have a spending problem, but sometimes we actually have a tracking problem. Money comes in and we immediately start spending. Food here, a subscription there, a random purchase because it's only $20. But those small choices add up. The scary part is that you can lose hundreds of dollars without ever making one huge mistake. It feels like your money just vanished. The fix is simple. Don't try to create a perfect budget overnight. Just start by paying attention. For the next 7 days, write down every dollar you spend. No judgment, no guilt, just awareness, because you can't fix what you refuse to see. And once you start seeing where your money goes, you'll notice the next habit that keeps people stuck. Habit number 2, living like every paycheck is already gone. This one is painful because a lot of people aren't careless, they're just always reacting. The paycheck arrives, the bills take their share, then there's barely anything left. So when something unexpected happens, like a car repair or a medical bill, everything falls apart. You're forced to borrow, you're forced to use credit. And then next month starts even harder. The fix is to create breathing room, even if it's small. Put aside a little money every time you get paid, $10, $20, whatever you can realistically start with. The goal is not the amount. The goal is proving to yourself that you can keep money. Because having a small safety cushion changes how you handle problems. But there's another habit that destroys that cushion before it can even grow. Habit number 3, trying to look rich instead of becoming wealthy. This one is everywhere. People buy things to show an image, a nicer car, the newest phone, expensive clothes. And sometimes those things are not bought because they bring real value. They're bought because of pressure. Because we want people to think we're doing better than we are. I understand this. Nobody wants to feel behind. But looking wealthy and being wealthy are completely different things. A person with money doesn't always look like they have money. The fix is to stop asking, "Can I afford the payment?" Start asking, "Does this move me closer to my goals?" A purchase can feel good today and hurt you for months. Your future self has to pay for today's decisions. And speaking of your future self, the next habit is one that steals opportunities from you. Habit number 4, never learning about money. A lot of people spend years learning how to make money. They learn a job, they learn a skill. But nobody teaches them what to do with the money they earn. So the cycle continues. More money comes in. But nothing really changes. The fix is to spend a little time learning. You don't need to become a financial expert. You don't need complicated strategies. Start with the basics. Learn how budgeting works, learn how saving works, learn how debt works. Small knowledge creates better decisions. Pause this video right now and check your bank statement. Look at your last 30 days. Ask yourself one question. Did my money go toward things that actually matter to me? This isn't about feeling bad. This is about becoming aware. Because awareness is where change begins. And now we get to the habit that quietly keeps so many people broke. Habit number 5, increasing your spending every time you earn more. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it happens so quietly. You get a raise, you make a little more money. So you upgrade your lifestyle, a better apartment, more eating out, more subscriptions, more expensive habits. And suddenly, even though you earn more, you still feel broke. That's the trap. The problem isn't that you enjoy nice things. The problem is when every increase in income immediately becomes a new expense. The fix is simple. When you earn more, keep your old lifestyle for a little longer. Use the extra money to build your foundation, because the gap between what you earn and what you spend is where your freedom comes from, and the next habit makes that gap disappear completely. Habit number 6, ignoring small debts. Small debts can feel harmless, a little payment here, a little balance there. But every payment is money that your future self doesn't get to use. Debt can create stress because you're constantly paying for things you already experienced. The fix is to face it, know exactly what you owe, write it down, make a plan. Don't ignore numbers just because they feel uncomfortable. At the moment you understand the problem, you can start solving it. Small progress is still progress. And the final habit is the one that connects everything together. Habit number 7, waiting for the perfect time to start. A lot of people say, I'll save when I make more money. I'll learn about money later. I'll start next month. But next month keeps moving. The perfect time usually never arrives. The people who improve their finances are not always the people with the most money. They're the people who start with what they have. The fix is to take one small action today, open a savings account, track your spending, cancel one unused subscription, learn one new money concept. You don't need a complete life transformation this week, you need a first step. Because small actions repeated over time create big changes, the biggest lesson from all 7 habits is this. Your financial future is built by what you do consistently, not what you do occasionally. You don't need to become a completely different person overnight. You just need to stop doing the things that keep pulling you backward. This week, pick just one habit from this video and fix it. Not 7. Just one. Start small. Build the habit. Then build the next one. I'm on the same journey of building wealth from zero, and if you want to follow that journey, subscribe. We're learning, improving, and building better money habits one step at a time.